Hey yo, I break bread, ribs. Peel on the cotties, before wheels. We used to catch those on the block with krills. Half is real. If we can't match numbers, then you. Hey yo, peel on the cotties, before wheels. We used to catch those on the block with krills.
Welcome back, guys. Behind me we have a Mini Cooper S. Car came in for a few black details. Let's have a look at what we've done. On the front, we did the grills in black. That's both this part and that part. We did our wings kit in black. We did black hoops around the eyes or the front headlights. If you look around the edge of the vehicle, we've done our belt line kit in gloss black. Handles went gloss black also. Nice little touch. On the rear of the car, we did the surrounds of the rear tail lights, gloss black, and then gloss black on the wings kit. Most of these parts are DIY, besides the surrounds for the lights, those aren't DIY. So yeah, really easy to fit, guys, and they really change the vehicle. So I'll get the cameraman to put a bit of B-roll in of how some of these parts look individually, but if you're looking to do something cool to your Mini, welcome to Salomon Brothers.